Kia ora. We're going to have a look at how to connect up some more wires, and we're going to look at how to connect these switch wires, okay? So as you can see, there is a wire coming out of the other side of the switch here, right? So you've got one side of the switch is connected to ground, the other side is connected to a wire, the same on all of them. Okay, so these two grey wires come to particular points and the green wire goes to this particular point. It's really important that you get these lined up accurately, okay? So let's just have a look at the layout and see that this switch is connected, okay, to this point here, which you can see is G39, okay, G39, and this switch here is connected to this point here, which is I36, okay, and the green one is the switch here, okay, it's connected to H43, okay, so that's where that's connected to. You can make sure that you get those ones correct. Now let's have a look at the other wire, okay. What I've got here now is a board with some more wires on it, okay. And you'll notice that I've also put the resistors in these boards here as well. So it's before you put the microcontroller in, we've got a couple more wires to put in. We're going to put in these 3 wires for the LEDs. We're going to put in these 2 extra wires here, which are for a little display we're going to connect in another tutorial. So let's just have a look now at the at this, where we've got this side of the resistor, 100 ohm resistor, is connected to this point here, which is F41, okay. And this side of this resistor here is connected to, and this point here, we've got F38, okay, and this side of the resistor here is connected to H37, okay, so you can see how those are connected. Again, we're going to have a look at this. We've got F35 connected to C33, and then we've got this wire here, which is on F32, and it is connected to E32. And remember, they're both 32, but in this case we're numbering right to left, and here we're numbering left to right. So that's why there is E32, and there is F32. Okay, so when you've got those wires in, it's really important that you double check them all, because what we're going to do then is we're going to put the microcontroller into the board. Okay, so let's just stick it in there, and again I'm just giving it a good push so it's firmly down. Okay, none of my wires were overlapping, so therefore it just sits down nicely in position. Now you don't want to take this in and out too much, because the actual pins of this that are soldered onto the microcontroller development board here are quite large, and they will actually ultimately spread the little metal fingers which are inside the breadboard here. So you just don't want to do that too often, okay? Cool, so now that one's ready, and you're ready for the next part, which is a program.